The something went wrong error on TikTok is super common and it can happen for a bunch of reasons like network issues, cache glitches, or account sync problems. So here is a guide on how to fix it. First of all you have to do is simply open the App Store on your mobile device. Once inside the App Store, tap on the search address bar, type down TikTok, hit enter, then tap on the TikTok again, and if there is update option available, tap on the update and update it to the latest version. Because sometimes update can fix the bug issues inside the TikTok. Now, once you have updated, go to the home screen and also check that you are connected to a proper internet connection. You can also try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data, or else you can also turn on airplane mode and wait 10 seconds then turn it back off. After all this, simply go to the settings app on your mobile device. Now, once inside the settings app, all you have to do is again scroll down and tap on the general option available in there. Once inside the general, all you have to do is tap on the iPhone storage and from the list of the apps, look for the TikTok and tap on it. Now there you can see upload app option available. Upload the app and all you have to do is reinstall it again. This won't delete your account or videos, just temporary junk data. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.